Hello and welcome to my channel IGCSE Chemistry. In this lesson we are going to learn stoichiometric calculations. How to find the mass of the product from given mass of the reactant using balanced chemical equation. For example, there is a question that what mass of aluminium oxide is produced when 9.2 gram of aluminium metal reacts completely with oxygen gas. It means we have to find out the mass of the product and mass of the reactant is given. There are two ways to calculate the mass of the product. First of all, we have to consider a chemical equation. Aluminium reacts with oxygen, makes aluminium oxide. Then we have to balance the equation. 4 moles of aluminium react with 3 moles of oxygen and it makes 2 moles of aluminium oxide. We can calculate mass of the product in two ways, either by using moles or by using relative molecular mass or MR value. For example, if we have an equation A plus B forms C plus D. So A and B are the reactants and C and D are the products. How to calculate the mass of the product if mass of the reactant is given? For that we have to use a footbridge. So this is known as chemical footbridge. If you are given with the mass of A, you have to convert it to number of moles of A. Apply the formula. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. When you get the number of moles, you have to check the molar ratio from equation. So to find out the mass of the product C, check the ratio between A and C moles. By checking the ratio, you can find out the moles of the C and again apply the formula and convert number of moles into mass. Mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass. So we have a question that what mass of aluminium oxide is produced when 9.2 gram of aluminium reacts completely with oxygen gas. Here is the balanced chemical equation. First of all, find out the number of moles of aluminium. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Mass is given 9.2 gram. Divide by molar mass of aluminium, that is 27. Second step is to check the moles ratio between aluminium and aluminium oxide. Here you can see that 4 moles of aluminium forms 2 moles of aluminium oxide. So the ratio is 4:2. It means 2:1. So if 2 moles of aluminium forms 1 mole of aluminium oxide, then 0.34 moles of aluminium form half moles. Forms 0.34 divided by 2, 0.17. Next step is to find out mass. Mass will be equal to number of moles times molar mass. Molar mass of aluminium oxide is 102 times 0.7, that is number of moles, and here we get 17.3 gram. The other method to calculate mass of the product is by relative molecular mass. Equation is 4Al plus 3O2 forms 2Al2O3. 4 times 27 plus 3 times 16 times 2, 16 is the MR of oxygen. 2 times aluminium. Aluminium molar mass is 27. 27 times 2 plus 16 times 3. Here you can calculate. So 108 gram of aluminium reacts with 96 gram of oxygen and it forms 204 gram of aluminium oxide. If 108 gram of aluminium produces 204 gram of aluminium oxide, 9.2 gram will produce X. Here we are ignoring oxygen because it is not needed in the question. So X can be found out this way. X equal to 204 times 9.2 divided by 108. Same answer is there, 17.3 gram. So if the mass of the reactant is given, convert to number of moles. check moles ratio from equation, find the moles of the product and convert back to mass of the product. If the volume of the gas is given, similar calculations can be done if the volume of the gas is given in the question. First of all, you have to find out number of moles. From volume, apply the formula. Then check moles ratio from equation, find moles of the product and you can convert it to the mass of the product. If concentration of solution is given, find out number of moles of solution, apply the formula, check moles ratio from equation and find out the number of moles of product and you can convert it back to the mass of the product. I hope you understood the basic stoichiometric calculations in a quick revision lesson. Good luck to all of the students. Thank you.